fanya.
Kwa mbele ni sirikand kaonti ma Homa Bay ochako lwenj kedo gi nok mar pi mosebedo ka chendo kuom higni mathoth e kuonde dak bura mayudre boma ma Homa Bay bang' chako chenro tieko gedo mar odundu mag pi e tielo mar ariyo e kar dak mantiere Homa Bay. Chenro mar pi mong'ere ni Homa Bay Water Cluster Project oyudo sir mar omenda maromo bilion 1.4 ka owuok e piny Netherlands. Homa Wasco sane dhi nyime gi tudo odundu mag pi mitere kuonde dak mag Makongeni, Kapita, Gotrabur kod kar dak mar Ang'wena ma osebedo ka midhiero mar pi kuom higni mathoth chando. Gavana Gladys Wanga nosingo ni tielo mar ariyo mar keyo pigno rumo dwe manyien mondo mi jopiny ochak tiyo kode.
We really want to thank our partners, who have come through for us, not just for this project, but for several others over the last 6 years. And this is going to be one of those areas of partnership that will result in water for our people. We did make a promise to the people of Homa Bay that, especially Homa Bay town, that they will be able to see water in their taps. And I think it's a challenge that is with Homa Wasco to ensure that water is running in the taps for the people of Homa Bay. The contractor has said that within the next 2 months, by the end of October, he should be able to be through with this, and so in November, then the people of Makongeni should have water.
We are pretty convinced that the team of Homa Wasco, together with the country, is doing the right thing. So we are happy to help. But our strength is mainly to help the company to get mature, to get to the next level. And at a certain moment we will be away, and then the water still needs to come out of the tap. So I made a joke this morning, we have 24 hours water out of the tap in the Netherlands. This is not yet the case, but it would be a great ambition to go to that at a certain